Good afternoon, Mr. Kowalczyk here with a video for Business Math in Chapter 6. In Chapter 6, we've been talking about all of the different ways that you deal with math when you go shopping. Today we're going to visit Section 6-5, and what we're talking about are coupons and rebates. I believe that probably many of you are very familiar with the concept of coupons and rebates. A coupon or a rebate is a discount that you have to do a little bit of work for. You see, a coupon... Let's change the color a little bit. A coupon is something that usually maybe you have to clip out of a newspaper, or perhaps you can find an online coupon where you go to a different company's website, perhaps a store's website like Kohl's or Hobby Lobby, or a restaurant's website like Olive Garden. You might be able to find a coupon there. You print off that coupon, or perhaps even show it on your smartphone, and you get a discount for whatever it is you're trying to purchase. And the cool part about those coupons is that you receive that discount immediately. Rebates are a little bit different. A store that I go to all the time that uses rebates is Menards. It's one of those home improvement stores with lumber and other types of things that you need to fix up different parts of your house. And they're famous for rebates. A rebate's a little bit different in that you buy something at the store, they give you a rebate slip, you fill it out, you mail it in, and then they send you a check in the mail. Sometimes that check will just be straight cash, so you take that check, you go to your bank, you cash it, and you get some money back. But what Menards does is they do it a little bit differently. What they do is they have you fill out the rebate slip, and they don't send you a check, they send you more like a gift card or a gift certificate, so you can spend more money at their store. But it is still nice because you get a little bit of a discount on what you're trying to purchase. So today, we're going to be looking at coupons and rebates, and as you can see here, our formula is pretty simple. We subtract. Now, before we get rolling, there is one last thing I want to talk to you about, and it's this paragraph that I'm going to circle in orange. It's important to know that sometimes when you get a coupon or a rebate, it may require you to purchase multiple items. That way that you can still receive the discount, but you got to buy a couple of those items. And with that, you may also need, when doing your homework, you may need to add up all of those items that you're buying in order to get the final total selling price. Okay? So, with that in mind, let's go ahead and do number 1. Number 1 says, Frank wants to buy a new oil filter for his car. Its normal price is $8.79. What's nice is that Frank has a coupon for $1.50 off. What is the final price for this purchase? Well, it's pretty easy. There's really only one step. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that $8.79 and subtract the coupon of $1.50. And so, when you take your calculator out and you do the math, and you might not need a calculator, but if you do, you can do that. That's fine. You get an answer of $7.29. Now, as normal, there will probably be some sort of a line written out over here, and you're going to have to write that $7.29 on the line that's provided. Okay? So please be aware of that. We'll put another line right here. Oh, let's make it black. There we go. So now let's go ahead and do number 2. You see, number 2 is a little bit different, and it's important that we read it carefully. Janet needed to buy some pancake mix. Each box of mix, this is kind of important here, each box of mix costs $2.39. She has a coupon to buy 3 and take $1.50 off of your purchase. If she uses this coupon, how much will she spend on her purchase of the pancake mix? So, we're going to basically do step 1 again, but we have to do a little bit of extra math. You see, what we have to do is some multiplying. What we're going to do is we're going to take that $2.39 and we're going to multiply it by the number 3. Why? Well, in order for Janet to be able to use this coupon, she has to buy 3 boxes. So what we need to do is come up with, hey, what's the cost of 3 boxes? So once we do that multiplication, we can now take off the $1.50 to find the final answer. So when we multiply things out, just in case you're wondering, we get $7.17. And if we subtract the $1.50 from it, we get $5.67. So our final answer for this example is $5.67. Once again, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to go back and rewatch any part of the video. Thanks, and have a great day.